What if I told you MCP doesn't replace APIs? It actually builds on top of them. That's one of the biggest misconceptions in AI today. In this video, we'll finally clear up MCP versus API, understand what each one does, when to use them, and why MCP is becoming so important for AI agents. APIs let software talk to software. MCP is a protocol that helps AI models discover and use those APIs in a standardized way. Let's start with the basics. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a defined set of endpoints that one program exposes for another program to call. Every service has its own API, documentation, and authentication. MCP or Model Context Protocol is different. It's a standard way for AI models to discover and use tools or data sources at runtime. Instead of learning every tool separately, the model speaks one protocol. And remember, MCP is usually implemented on top of APIs, not instead of them. Here's the biggest difference. With APIs, every new service means reading new documentation and writing custom integration code. That's perfect when developers know exactly which systems they are connecting. MCP changes that. An AI model can simply ask an MCP server what tools are available and use them dynamically. Instead of learning 10 different interfaces for 10 services, the model learns one protocol as long as those services expose an MCP server. So, when should you use each? If you are connecting two known systems with predictable behavior, a traditional API is exactly what you want. It's deterministic and tightly controlled. But if you are building an AI agent that needs to choose between multiple tools, add new tools over time, or discover capabilities automatically, MCP is the better fit. And one important point, MCP servers usually sit on top of APIs. It's not API or MCP, it's API and MCP. Here's an analogy you'll probably never forget. Think of APIs like different wall sockets used around the world. Every country has its own design, so you need a different adapter each time. MCP is like a universal adapter standard. Once your device supports it, it can plug into any compatible socket without needing a custom adapter for every country. APIs still exist underneath, but MCP gives AI a consistent way to connect to all of them. So here's the one line takeaway. APIs are the general purpose way software communicates with software. MCP doesn't replace them. It standardizes how AI models discover and use them. That's why MCP is becoming a foundational protocol for AI agents and modern AI applications. If this video helped you finally understand the difference, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.